Much earlier inside the course, we were hinting towards the idea of arrays. We started talking about collections, things like lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, collections of data. But I also mentioned, and just kind of in passing, that string values are also a collection of data or an array of data. Take a look. I've got a new file open, got my shell window there. I'm going to create a variable here. We'll just call it A, and I'm going to fill it with some text. I'm going to say hello. So now I've got a variable there of type string. I'm storing a string value in there or a text value in there, which is really just a collection of letters. Utilizing a for loop, we can loop through each letter or character within that string. Take a look. I'll say for x, and I'm just utilizing some random letter there to help me get through each of those letters in A. So for each character, x represents each character inside of here, inside of A. Now, just to demonstrate how we loop through that, I'm going to print this out. I'll print out x. All right, I'm going to save my work. I'm going to go ahead and F5 to run the module. And there's hello. Each time it ran, X represented one of the characters in the string, and I printed it out. This is huge. Might seem pretty small and it might seem a bit abstract, but utilizing this, we can loop through each character within a string. And utilizing this, we could potentially look to see if characters exist. We can look to do some formatting, some validation checks on that. It's endless. The possibilities are endless here as to what we can do as we iterate through individual characters within a given value. Try this out. Create a variable, store something in there, put your name in there, put something else in there, put a whole sentence of characters in there, whatever it is, and then utilize the if loop to loop through each character in there. And if you like, build some logic in there. Drop an if in there. Ask it, hey, if x equals E, then do something else. But try this out.